Hey YouTube, this young Nate with the snakes, and as you all know how excited I've been all week about getting these new snakes, and they just arrived at FedEx. It's like 10 o'clock, and I'm excited, and so is everybody else. And shit, I just woke up, so I'm gonna unbox these for you guys right now, but my phone's probably gonna die, so I got somebody else recording for me. This is a pair of all 2010 babies, 2 pastels, and 2 100% half-phase antics.
Yeah, so I can get them. I know, just come hold these back here. Just hold them both.
Why you gotta do 2 videos?
Make sure his phone's on it. So I want my personal video. Motherfucker pissed in the bag.
Okay.
On the other side. Look at the other side.
Alright, you gotta do...
Oh, look at that.
Prince is like, what the fuck do you got?
That's 2 in a bag?
Those are the 2 pastels.
Okay, move back.
Those ain't fucking babies.
Yes, they are.
And I guess... Oh, those are the 2... Shit, those are the 2 females. That's a pastel, that's a normal. I was finna say, that looked like a normal. Okay, that's the normal, that's 100% half-phase antic right here, guys. And that's the pastel. Cause I was looking like, hold on, wait, that one looked
I thought they were going to be smaller.
It's pretty small for a baby, you know. You can feel like patterns feel like how they feel how
They're not so bad, are they?
Oh shit. I thought they were...
Your battery's going to die. Give me this phone so I make sure I got these close up.
Damn, sir.
Shh.
Stephanie.
Yeah. Well, damn, dude. On the back of FedEx truck. They ain't going nowhere. Just set them down. Let them slither.
They're scared. Okay, so that is... Wait, this the bag? That's the female bag. That is the female pastel. That's the male pastel. That's the male 100% half-phase antic. This is the female 100% half-phase antic. Okay. Before you start playing with them, Tiffany, let me grab tags so I don't forget which one's the male and female.
Oh! Here. Here. They're not going to bite me, are they?
No. Give me a marker.
He's curling his neck up. Why you look all crazy like that?
Checking his house up. You know, just rolling the fucking box for 3 days. What day? You can pick it up. It ain't gonna do nothing. Don't let him get on the floor.
Oh, shit.
Don't let him get on the floor.
He's going to bite.
No, he's not. not.
You sure?
I promise he won't.
Look at how he curled up. I'm scared of snakes. I swear to God, I don't even want to touch.
It's really good pattern on those fangs. Yeah, I'm about to drop the grass.
So how? But he'll bite me if I move too fast in front of his face.
No.
You sure?
That is like a sick ass normal pattern. That's like pretty good. That's the prettiest I've ever seen in a normal.
Oh man.
He's gonna do good. See how everybody else is chilling? They scared. He's still he already out and about.
Why did he curl up his neck like that when I touch him?
He's scared.
He gonna bite
The
somebody.
boys came out first. Fuck!
Come on, little Nate.
I gotta motherfucking get some paper. Yeah, he's fine. I promise you, Tiffany, they're not gonna hurt you. They hurt you. I get warned. Did you get that video, Brian?
Yeah.
You still recording? Turn it off.
Ooh!
Tiffany, leave him alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Hit
Leave
the
it
red
alone.
button.
Leave it alone.
Nate.
Damn,
Why
man.
he turn his head on me like that so fast?
Yeah, YouTube. That was that unboxing, just so you guys can see again. Look at her. She done scared the damn snake. Stupid ass. Alright, YouTube. I'll be doing updates and everything.